Determination of specific gravity of coarse aggregate. The aim of this experiment is to determine specific gravity of a given sample of coarse aggregate. The apparatus required are a wire basket of not more than 6 to 3 mesh, a stout watertight container in which the basket may be freely suspended, well ventilated oven, tapping rod, and an airtight container. Procedure: a sample of not less than 2000 gram of the aggregate shall be thoroughly washed to remove finer particles and dust, drained and then placed in the wire basket and immersed in distilled water at a temperature between 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius with a cover of at least 5 centimeters of water above the top of the basket. Immediately after immersion, the entrapped air shall be removed from the sample by lifting the basket containing it 25 above the base of the tank and allowing it to drop 25 times at the rate of about 1 drop per second. The basket and aggregate shall remain completely immersed during the operation and for a period of 24 plus or minus 1 by 2 hours afterwards. The basket and the sample shall then be jolted and weighed in water at a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius and it is noted as weight A1. The basket and the aggregate shall then be removed from the water and allowed to drain for a few minutes, after which the aggregate shall be gently emptied from the basket onto one of the dry cloths, and the empty basket shall be returned to the water and weighed in water, and it is noted as weight A2. The aggregate placed on the dry cloth shall be gently surface dried with the cloth, transferring it to the second dry cloth when the first will remove no further moisture. The aggregate shall then be weighed and it is noted as weight B. The aggregate shall then be placed in the oven in the shallow tray at a temperature of 100 to 110 degrees Celsius and maintained at this temperature for 24 plus or minus 1 by 2 hours. It shall then be removed from the oven, cooled in the airtight container and weighed, and it is noted as weight C. The result is the specific gravity of the coarse aggregate and the apparent specific gravity of the coarse aggregate. Thank you.